Hello students, now today I am going to discuss the last part of Python Pandas series, that is part 3. In this we will learn retrieving values using condition and deleting elements from a series. So only these two topics are left, and all the topic I had discussed in videos part 1, part 2, part 3. So part 3 is going. So now retrieving value using condition. We have learned. I have discussed how we can retrieve values from series. So here how we can place a condition. According to condition, how we'll retrieve the value from the series. So let's see. Now here I'm going to import pandas. Now it's showing that pandas module is installed already. So now I'm going to create one series, that is s1 equal to pd dot series, and via list I'm going to create. Suppose list is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So s1 series has been created. Now I'm going to print this one, s1. Okay, so I have created a list, name s1, and elements of this series are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and indexes are like 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So now how we can place a condition, how we can retrieve the value according to the condition. So if you will write s1 greater than 4, just try to understand this thing, s1 greater than 4. So I want कि s1 का जो वैल्यू है वो 4 से ऊपर हो. तो यहाँ पर s1 का वैल्यू जो 4 से ऊपर हो, यानी 5 6 7 8 9 10, in this case it will display true. And जो इस कंडीशन को फुलफिल नहीं कर रहा, जैसे s1 greater than 4, so obviously it will fulfill from 5 6 7 8 9 10. And what will happen for 1 2 3 4? So in 1 2 3 4, in 1 2 3 4 it will display false, and the condition which is matching there, it will display true. So you can see here, so 1 2 3 4 condition is not fulfilling, that is match नहीं कर रहा था, condition false था, that's why it's showing the false. So such a way we can retrieve the value. Now the second part, that deleting elements from a series. So how we can delete element from the series? How can we delete element from the series? So here there is a function named drop function. By using drop function we can delete a element. So how we can use this drop? So here a series I have created, s1 dot drop drop, and here just pass the index of that element which you want to delete. Listen once again, just pass the index of that element which you want to drop. So suppose I want to drop the element which is in index 5, so pass there 5. So now see, index 5 is not here. So index 5, it means what? Index 5 में value क्या था? Because indexing by default is here from 0. So 0 1 2 3 4, so index 5 the value is 6. So index 5 is not there, and index 5 में जो value 6 था वो 6 यहाँ नहीं है. So such a way we can drop the element from the series. Here one thing you people have to keep in mind, in drop you cannot pass element which you want to delete. Here you have to pass the index of the element which you want to delete. So I hope Python series is clear to everyone, all the topic I have covered, and by watching all three videos, part 1 see data pandas series, part 2, part 3, these videos are completely based on 12th IP syllabus. So by watching all these three videos, the concept of series will be okay. Concept of series will be make you to solve all the questions which will come from the series. So if any query if you have, then you can write in the chat box so that I can solve your queries. So I think this is enough for series. Thank you very much.